I've used the National Lottery app regularly to check tickets and results, but there was a day when it just wouldn't load at all. If that's happening to you too, here are 2 simple fixes that can help get it working again. First, skip the app altogether and try using the National Lottery website instead. Go to national-lottery.co.uk on your browser, log in, and you'll be able to check draws, play games, and view your tickets just like you would in the app. This is especially useful if the app crashes on startup or isn't responding after an update. The web portal is stable and gets the job done without needing to troubleshoot the app right away. Next, check if you're using a VPN on your phone or network. The National Lottery app may block access if your connection appears to come from outside the UK or from a masked IP address. Disconnect your VPN, close the app fully, and reopen it without any VPN active. This simple change has fixed access issues for a lot of users who didn't even realize the VPN was the problem. And that's it. 2 quick steps to get the National Lottery app working again. If this helped you out, give the video a like, hit subscribe for more fix-it guides, and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching.